A sling often found on the M95 short rifle or carbine is the Czech style leather sling. It can be mounted on bottom or side sling swivels and is fully adjustable. The components of the sling include a buckle with a stud and the sling itself, which has a sewn-in buckle on one end. To install, start by installing the buckle with the stud onto the sling over the loose end. Ensure the stud is on the suede side of the sling. Slide the buckle down towards the opposite end of the sling and snug. Moving to the buckle end of the sling, insert it into the rear sling swivel toward the butt with the buckle away from the rifle. Bring the end around the swivel and into the buckle, then insert the prong into the hole at the end of the sling. Snug the buckle. Moving toward the loose end, insert it into the front sling swivel from the muzzle end with the suede side up, away from the rifle. Bring the loose end down to the buckle with the stud. Laying the loose end on top of the buckle, perpendicular to the rest of the sling, insert the buckle stud into the hole in the loose end. The sling can be adjusted by moving the studded buckle along the sling. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting or helpful, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. For more information on this firearm and others, head on over to historyandfirearms.com.